ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka high level committee bala kle do sembut menteri rangba uba preston tensong ha ka arpu pratarik ubnai nailor arajar arpuwei kala IT ka kaipot halor ka jingwat lat wat lenti jong ka sarkar ban penken ria no ya ki breu ki basa ha them yo maulong hadin ka jingya theria tai ka bala ya mental sau pho bnai kenti ka sarkar kala thau ya ka high level committee hadin bakalami ka jingya khi ka bajur bha hanong ba shlong house nem arajar khat phra hadin baka jingsha sho penmen sao jong ki nongbut kali sao ha ki breu ki basa ha them yo maulong
already submitted the HLC report today to our Honorable Chief Minister. So let us see after submitting the report. Again, the next steps is government will sit down, cabinet will sit down, and we will go point by point, line by line. So let us wait till the cabinet sits. Because right now I can't say anything because I'm the chairman of the high level committee. So I'm just informing you that we already completed our task and today we already submitted the report. Since we already submitted, as I said, let the cabinet, the Honorable Chief Minister will go through everything and then we will bring it to the cabinet. See, that can be done only when the cabinet discuss all the details. It is the duty of the government to brief or to detail all of you once the decision is made. Because see, by convention, when we submit a report means what? We just submit a report. I have nothing to say anything. Then government will take detailed discussion on this, and ultimately when they take a decision, they will brief the press, and then we will come out in a proper manner how to inform the citizens of this country. We have already submitted the report. So now it is up to the government. So let the Chief Minister and let the officers study everything and then bring it to the cabinet. When that I can't say. But I would like to see that the discussion takes place as early as possible in the cabinet.